What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the house build video set. We got the windows in and I'll show you that now. There's the windows. This is the back. This is the front of the house. All the windows are in, the door is in. Let's see if I can get you a shot of the, here it is, Polygym. If you've ever heard of those windows before, those are the ones we went with. These are the, energy performance standards that you should get out of them. Anyways, windows are in, doors are in. It's pretty cool. It's got a little built-in slider thing. I think you have to do it from the front though. I don't know. Yeah. So anyways, they're doors. The old door. Coming in here to the master. That's what they look like. Looking cool. So this is the water that they've done, the plumbing. There's the main manifold over here, and you can see that the water comes in on those T-posts, and then they go down in the concrete to each wet room. So this is where the water in comes in from over there. It goes down here and then up. It comes up. Hot water comes up to your shower head, and then the cold water tees off here. It goes up to your shower head, but also goes along the outside. This is inside of the shower right here. This will all be shower. And then it goes along this mechanical room wall and shower wall up and out to some faucets. And then it comes over here to the toilet, and that's the toilet. And then it comes up and around to our sink. So I would have preferred, and I don't know if you build houses, or if you have ever done plumbing like this. Personally, I prefer, and I will just be the first to say I'm not a plumber, but I would prefer PEX A so that you can eliminate these, let me turn the camera. So you can eliminate these turns. If you use PEX A, it's bendy, so you can just do one nice roll here into whatever fixture you're doing. That's just, it's a peace of mind thing. I understand that if it passes the pressure test, then it's not leaking, but it's just nice to know that the failure point can only be at the manifold or at the fixture, and there's no way it could possibly leak in the wall, because you take out these fittings, and these fittings are the failure points. So like this PEX is never just going to spontaneously combust. It will leak from these bins potentially. If you look here, they got the 16 gauge nail stoppers anywhere that the water crosses, or the electric, I'm sure too. It's all along the bottom there, all along where that goes. They put them in there. So that's our bathroom. And then, oh, I forgot to show you the vent. So the vent in our bathroom goes up right here. So this is there's your toilet. This is the sink. And then it vents up through the wall to the top. So that way you get rid of the gases in your septic. So if you come over here, this is the fridge. This is the sink. Hot water, cold. Those are both cold because they're white. Red's hot. Fridge, sink with a drain. And I'm going to have to look and see what that is, because honestly, I don't remember. I think that's the dishwasher. Here's the pressure test setup that they have now. I don't know if they left pressure on this or not. I don't think that they did. I don't know if they're done, but it's reading 0 on both. I think this one has to be 5 pounds. It has to hold 5 pounds for 30 minutes. This one I think is 80 pounds this is 100 pounds for, I think, 30 minutes. I don't know. Honestly, I can't remember. I'd have to look it up. But that's the kitchen. So pretty easy in the kitchen. And then over here is the spare bathroom, and the same thing with the laundry room. So we'll just do the laundry room first. This is where the water comes in from over there. So it goes in the concrete. And I showed the video of that. It comes to those two-ish, I think, and then runs right across here, and then comes to here. Comes up. This is where the washer and dryer water comes from. This is a washer and dryer drain, which is awesome. I'm glad that they put these little twist caps in here. I don't know if you can see that. Because the push caps that you push down, a lot of times they'll just fall down and stay down there forever in that little and the little J hook. I forget what this is called. What is this called? Oh man, I should know this. It stops the smell from coming back because it traps water down. P-trap. Yeah, that's what it is. So anyways, yeah, kind of interesting how they did it here. So the water from, I guess, from the washer and dryer is also running the bathroom, which I didn't realize that. But yeah, so that's why we do these videos. So this is the washer and dryer room. It feeds the washer and dryer here, and then it goes around back to this T. Hot water and cold water come up the back of the shower. There's the manifold for the shower twisty knob, and then this is the shower head, which ideally would have been red, I guess, but that's okay. Doesn't matter, you're not going to see it. And then the cold and hot water come around here. The T's off here for what is this called? A spigot outside water faucet. And then it comes over here and runs on the inside of the wall for the sink. So it comes through here on the back side. Look at all these plates here to stop you from screwing into it. Comes along the back side for here for your toilet. So toilet, and then along here for your sink. So this is our shower. Pretty exciting. Yeah. So here we are. You'll have a little extra. So if you're like, I don't know, that's probably 11 to 12 feet at the least tall. So as long as you're under 12 feet tall, you can shower here. And that's pretty much it. So, yeah, not too crazy. Oh, I forgot to show you the how it looks in the ceiling for the septic vents. So this is the washer and dryer room. It goes up and over into the ceiling. So I don't know if you can see it. We'll walk in here. So the septic comes up over right there, and then it tees into the sink. So this is where the sink goes. It comes up here and vents. The sink will have its own P-trap. The washer and dryer has its P-trap right there. And then the tub actually has one in the ground. And I think I got a video of that before we buried it, did the concrete. But yep, it goes up and over, and then it ties into that's the washer and dryer that's coming this way. This is the sink, and then it goes up into the ceiling right there. So that's that. That's it. Let's go outside and get a thumbnail, I guess. Chloe's out here sniffing the chicken that they left out here the other day. That's my internet. I had to move it over here from over there. So it was on that power box, and if you could see the lines, I just ran power lines and Ethernet line over here to put it closer to our camper because I couldn't upload videos or get on the internet or anything really. It was super slow, so had to move it. It's kind of frosty out here this morning. All right, so look at that, Chloe. Yep, so that's it. That's the house. It's coming along. It's got windows now, so that's that. But I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching the videos, and peace.